So this is how I watch birds from my vantage point, view from up here is quite amazing, guys. You guys live in America, Japan, whatsoever country you are in, but I live in India and in a small state called Sikkim, and it's the closest one to nature. Just look at this thingy. Look at this birdie, man. So damn. Let me give you a landscape zoom in perspective. Wow. What do you call this uh, bird species? I don't know. Shed some light on this bird species, guys. Which one is it? Here comes another one. It's gone. There's that guy sitting on top of that tree branch. Alright guys, this is it. Bye. That's for the information. Tree of an avocado. That tree is, that tree bears avocado fruit. Okay, bye. Guys, love you all and good morning. Have a great Monday.